Italy.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi, how are you? Hi, hello. 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 Hello, hello. Yo, chala, yo, bro.
How can I help you? Would you like to show you around?
आप यूट्यूबर हो It is bug. It is bug. It is bug. It is Zaru.
कत्तू रात ना बिना बोले
It is Kuli number 1. Kuli number 1. Kuli number 1. Kuli number 1. Hello, how are you? अरे क्या तेरे हवाई कर रहा हूँ. Hi.
इसके और खान चल रहे हैं. Hi.
गरीबों को खाने खिला दी. अल्लाह अल्लाह. हेलो.
Dhari.
Dhari.
काय पे लाग दी बता.
सब्जी सब्जी ना बोल बाटू जी नाम हेलो 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 yo my disco dancer yo I must go live come Matali What's your name? Iman. Come. 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 Honest line. Oh yo. 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 Ayo. Oh yo. Oh yo. Tira bete. How can I get English in back? Very much. What is your name? Hello guys, हम इधर गिल्ली डंडा खेल रहे हैं। Hello guys, हम इधर मैच होता है ना? इधर बैठे। इधर बैठे। Hello, father. Hello. Tira bete. Ini maju lagi aja. Jangan lebih tinggal. Putri. Hello. Come. Yogurt Putri. Hello. Yogurt Putri. You dance. Putri. Come. Come. Oi, Joy. Come.
कुछ खाने के भीतर दे काम हेलो कुछ पैसा उसे तो दे जा
दे
हाँ बच्चे के दे रहा है
जा ला के 20 रुपए कोई बात नहीं बीड़ी के दाम
हेलो कानूरी गाल रहे हैं हेलो जल्दी आ जाओ जल्दी आ जाओ जल्दी से बहुत ऊंचे है What is your name? Come आ जाओ come आ जाओ What is your name? What is your name? आ जाओ What is your name? इधर आयो जल्दी आयो
हेलो भाई हाँ क्या भाई हाँ क्या हेलो Bye bye agha. Bye bye agha. Patron ko yan. Tu piace marionetti? Entravi le marionetti.
Come. What do you name? Ayo. Eh, jump here. Good. Either. What do you name? You run. You tuk, you run. Yes. You money? Hello. How are you?
Good.
चलो एक वहाँ पे भी है एक बड़ा सा मंदिर भी वहाँ पे भी है बड़ा सा मंदिर बड़ा मंदिर You are my son बड़ा मंदिर दरबार बड़ा मंदिर आशीष बड़ा आशीष कम शीजो ओ आशीष है तो आते हैं कम बड़ा मंदिर Hello, 100 rupees.
सबको 5 रुपए की भाई
भैया Come, Yo. You what? Yeah. Come. What is it? Come. You barburu. Fui vera. ये लगा ये तीन मकान है इधर ये हमारा घर ही है आओ देखो
Hi, how are you?
मत चढ़ो आयो फोटो तो खींचो ले जो भी आ रही है
You like Indian whiskey? Little bit try.
This is puppet. What a kutte. 5 बजे 5. 5. You 5. Come on. Yes. Come. Yes, come. Hey.
बच्चे घूम रहे हैं साथ में।
Come. This is match. US. Match.
Okay.
Ambulance. Ambulance.
नहीं
चलो जल्दी से ambulance. You this is Bakriya. You match. You गिल्ली डंडा. बीड़ी पीता ही है. बीड़ी है बीड़ी. बीड़ी. बीड़ी पीता है. बीड़ी. ambulance बीड़ी पीता है बीड़ी. बीड़ी पीता है ambulance बीड़ी. बीड़ी. भैया साला. साला. तुम्हारा साला. तो बीड़ी पीता भैया. खिलाना. अब साले. Wow, wow. No, no. No, no. Ow, ow. Ow, batadi. Oh, bless. Come. चलो भैया आप तो चलो ये अंबा ये बकरी इच्ची बाबा बकरी इच्ची मामा पागल है क्या चक्कर दिया ना कम बकरी यू कबाड़ा यू लकड़िया यू बट्ठा मशरूम और पूरी गाड़ी मंदिर यू पेड़ यू बाग एम्बुलेंस कम नहीं तलवार साइकिल का कम
Are you eating this? Where are you living?
I'm from Italy.
Italy. Where is Italy? Where is Italy?
No, Italy.
What is? I mean Italy. Where is Italy?
New.
Before is here is 10 life. Now everyone have like a own job. So everyone have like a small houses.
Namaste.
And everyone have like a musician. Everybody some play like a flute acting in puppets. Somebody music shows. Somebody working like a textile. Somebody working jewelry.
You are named Handa. Your father name Handa. I am father.
And this is like a green India. So before here like one is my teacher. They are doing like a social worker. They're teaching like 85 children in here. Before they are studying like 5 children. Now everyone have like a children. They are younger. So now is like 85 children. So let's This is my goat. Yeah. And this is like a kind of school, and upside is school, and there also school is like a small school, but it's like a Finnish somebody living there. It's like gypsy life. Come with me, no problem. And this is also door like a. This is also a school. They're teaching other poor children here.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this is my teacher.
Namaste.
So you are meeting them.
Welcome.
My name is Prakash Bhatt. I am the social work. I'm doing I teach the children's here to musics and teaching some puppets and the teacher here for the people who have no job. So I can helping for these peoples in this slum area because it's called a puppet colony. That is a many problem with the caste. And people are very difficult. The Indian government not going to support them. So we try to make this places schools, and here we teach them children's how to improve their life. Before it's nothing here, just begging on people's. They are very bad conditions. So after the slowly the slum area can be they're growing up, and we're going to support. And some people coming from Italy, from France, some people they coming. It's not a touristic place, but it's like a real life of India. And here a lot of artists, they come to learn about music, and they learn about marionette, they learn about any activities, color, dancing, because this is a beautiful place. It's a very special place. I was in France. I was working like a 7 year, and Italy, France, Germany, so many countries I visited, and I'm a little doing my job because people love it. And if anybody coming in here, the tourist, they have no problem. They can be walk in this place. They can be do what you want. Here, not problem for your stalling. They're not going to have any problem. You can have food. You will meet the people. They are very interesting. You know, many people going to tourist building, Amber, City Palace, Jantar Mantar. You have to pay. They are not important. Important these people. This is a real people and real life. You can be taste of Indian chai. You can taste of Indian food. If you want to learn about food, I also I make 85 children's food. A chicken curry, mutton curry. I can make sometime ratatouilles. We make like a lot of food for the kid, and we teach them how to learn. And sometimes they volunteer people from European coming. They want to learn about cooking. So we teach them free for cooking also. It can be good fun to learn about Indian typical chai, which is called masala chai. Have you know the masala chai? Masala chai is very famous, and we have like typical spicy food and rice and many vegetables. It can be amazing. You can be, I know if you're coming here and you will forget for every kind of touristic place. This is real people. This is my student. What kind of name?
Ashish.
Ashish. My name?
Oasis.
His name Ashish. And we have 85 kids, and we teach them for music and arts. And this is I'm doing the social work in here. I show you my beautiful books, which is we have my project, and yeah, we're giving like this kind of food for kids. And this place, and this kind of people before living in a gypsy area here. So some people coming like some European, they come to helping in this place, and if you come any time in here, you can bring you will bring anything, and you can leave and what you want. It can be nice because sharing is good for life. Money is today, tomorrow's finished. Make a good karma, good life. We want to build in this place, these schools. We build in these rooms and that rooms, and we teach in here widow women, employed women, and some people have no jobs, so we're going to helping them. That is these people's coming from England, coming with my schools. Before it's like with these schools. So many change people coming from Spain. I was in Spain. Like before, the people they are carrying in a plastic. Now no, Before the begging, now no. Everything is changed slowly, slowly. This is people making marionettes, puppets. The women are widow. They make marionettes, playing marionettes. From France, I was in France, Italy, Milan, Torino, Sicilia. This is from Spain guy, and they're going to make a school in here, and he helping for this break and make like this after these schools. So this room they will make from a Spanish guy, and we have like some people coming, like this is people coming from European. It's no problem. This is safety place. You will come and to give a food, you will cook and you will learn about how to make the cooking food. And this is from Chile. My picture from France, Italy, Torino. This is my name, and the giving me from France, Tunisia, Tunisian diploma. I'm doing for the marionette also, the teaching about marionettes. I'm master of them. Argentina, South America. I was in South America, Uruguay, near to Argentina, South America, Spain, Brazil, Mexico, so many places, Russia, Poland, Portugal. So we're doing for like this kind of things for the to helping a kid, and we will somebody coming and to do and what they want. It's a good karma, and this is collection for to showing the children's, because it's very important what children can be see different countries. I don't want to change. Somebody coming and they give like from Nepal, Japan, Korea, Indonesia, from different countries, and the collection for that. People learn how to make the food. European people, this is Spanish peoples, they teach in Spanish. Anyone come to the teach for Spanish. If you have a time to come in India, in Jaipur, so you can be teaching Spanish if you are a Spanish. If you want to teach Italian, if you teach German, you can teach anything, any language, or if you know how to play guitar, you can teach these children. These children don't need for money, they need your love and your time. It's a very important you give the time as a volunteer, come to here. My project is a life improvement, and if you want to contact me at 9829 343479 in the WhatsApp number. If you want to call or contact, and they can be nice, good. So it can be great to have to learn about Indian culture, which is you're not going to pay. You stay in here, drinking a beer, what you want, you learn Hindi. We can teach also, we are free. And this is a beautiful children, you can see. Say hi, hello. This is the beautiful children, and we have 85 children, they're living around this area. And this is a beautiful children, and that woman, they want to learn the chapati. She's from Italian. She living in Milan. They learn about chapati. These people from Poland, they make the cook food and give them. Before that, our school like that. After coming like this, and then parents are going to working. Before our beggar, now no begging. The newspaper, this is Italian couples. That one they be giving the biscuits and the newspapers. Before that, this place here, the gypsy area. Now he's like this. So you can come anytime. What you have, you can have a time. You come visit in here. You can learn and you teach. It's exchange culture. It's a good karma, good thing to learn. You don't pay for nothing. You don't worry about somebody stealing your thing. No. You will come as a free mind. It's your house, your place, and this is your town. It's called Katputli Nagar. Katputli Nagar is called, and this is a very famous of Jaipur. If you want to anyone that contact me, you can contact me also. I can help you, and my team also help you. It can be great. And if you have any problem in Jaipur, you can let us, and we can help you, because it's our pleasure. Thank you. Gracias. You can see the one is Michael Jackson. Hey. He only shall samari in the way. La 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 la. Oh, this is Michael Jackson. Oh. Thank you very much. This is very famous. I am a 20 generation of marionettist. 20 generation de labor de faccio de marioneta. Mi familia es de leños marionetas muchos años. Es 200 años. Para de mi familia de tutti de faccio de labor de marionetas es de leños. Es muy belas. Este faccio aquí de marionetas. Ahora verá. Guarde. Esta leños de marioneta. Esta marioneta labor de faccio from India. And my family así the marionettist colony. This area is a marionettist colony, especially anyone de faccio marioneta este turbante 9 meters. Bella. Costi. Turmante. Maharaja from India. It's more special. Very special for this. And Mandira will be. In my schools, we teach about the marionette, how to make it, and some little elephants, things, so many beautiful. Some kind of beautiful elephant also the people make. From here, the people making like many widow women. They create up the marionettes and they make like this way. They make by marionettes. It is me. We give a workshop also. This is Maharaja, different Maharaja. And this is I got diploma. It is me getting diploma. I got from Italy diploma. From America, South America. This is Hindu time of newspaper. I teach children for the music and the marionette. I teach. This is Hindu time of newspaper. Ah, questa è bella.